So one of the things that you can do in Handbrake is go ahead and embed out subtitles and then burn in the subtitles in Handbrake as well. Whenever you open up a video, the subtitle is always there without any choice. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and open up this particular file right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around over here onto subtitles. And then I'm going to go to track, import out a subtitle right here, and then load it up. So let's just go around over here, and then I'm going to go around onto the folder where I have my subtitle right here and click on open. So once I do that, this is what you have. You can see that English language is there, so that is fine. So you can set it to default, which actually lets you choose whether to turn on the subtitle or not, but I'm going to go ahead and burn in right here. So this actually embeds the subtitle onto the video. So I'm just going to go around and keep the save as spot as it is right now, and then click on start encoding. And once you do that, it starts burning in that particular subtitle right here that you chose onto the video itself. So you need to wait for this to finish. So I'm just going to skip to the part where this processing finishes. And it's almost done, as you can see right there. And then what happens is that it finishes that out. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and open this out right here, let me just skip to this part. You can see that the subtitle is here. Wherever I go, you can see that the subtitle is a part of the video itself. So as I resize it, you can see that it's hard embedded. So if I were to press the play button, you can see, and you get the same exact sharing options as you get on the web. So you can go over here, choose the person that you want to share the file with, and then choose the privilege right here, like viewer, comment. And that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and embed out subtitles and then burn in as you like inside of Handbrake, as you can see right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.